In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the PayPal reporting dashboard. Whether you're managing your personal finances or overseeing a business account, accessing detailed reports on PayPal is an invaluable tool for keeping your transactions organized and well documented. So let's dive into this process step by step to make sure you get the most accurate details possible. First, you'll want to head over to the PayPal website. Open up a web browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. If you aren't directed there immediately, you can type in paypal.com and it will take you right to where you need to be. Upon landing on the homepage, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed, usually in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll need to enter your email address and your password. This information is crucial to ensuring that your sensitive financial data remains secure. Take a moment to verify that the information you've entered is correct, as a simple mistake in your email address or password can prevent access. Once you're certain everything looks good, press the login button to move forward. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your PayPal dashboard. Look for the Activity tab, which is typically found in the top navigation menu. Clicking on this will give you an overview of your recent transactions, but for more in-depth financial details, you'll need to visit the Reports section. So, hover over Activity and then click on Reports. Within the Reports section, you'll find a variety of detailed breakdowns of your financial activities. Click on All Reports to view all available reports that PayPal generates for your account. Each report offers different insights into your account, whether it's payments, risks, or activities. Let's explore what each entails. Selecting payments, for instance, provides a comprehensive view of all transactions, including received payments, sent invoices, and account adjustments. Meanwhile, the risks report can alert you to any potential discrepancies or fraudulent activities associated with your account. The Activities tab will further delineate specific transaction details for even greater clarity. Performance reports can offer insights into your transaction history over time, giving you invaluable data on trends or anomalies in your account behavior. Also, there is a tax section which is incredibly useful during tax season, helping you keep a clear record of your earnings and tax related transactions. For those who need to keep a physical copy or analyze the data further, PayPal allows you to download these reports. You'll find this option usually available within each report, making it easy to export your data into a format suitable for personal records or tax purposes. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have access to an extensive range of reports from the PayPal dashboard, providing you with better control and understanding of your financial landscape. Stay organized, stay informed, and happy reporting.